Hello friends, how are you? Have a nice day to you all. Myself Prakash sir of NEET Computer Tutorial Platform congratulate you to my this lesson. And in this lesson I want to discuss about voucher entry. How do you do voucher entry? What are the process we have to follow for voucher entry? And what are the voucher types we have to use for voucher entry? And the total techniques I supposed to discuss in this lesson. So try to understand it. Let us do journal for followings. आमे केमती journal करिबा. Now this is first question. This is the first question. NEET Private Limited started business with capital investment 5 lakhs. The owner of a NEET computer started business with a capital invest 5 lakhs. This is the question. And how do you do journal entry? आमे एटा केमती journal entry करिबा. Now for this journal entry, what we have to do? We have to create two ledgers. That is a NEET capital account, that should be under a group capital account, and a cash account. This cash account is automatically created by the software whenever you create a company. So that is why it is default ledger, no need to create it. And whenever you do this ledger, whenever you do this voucher entry, before that one we have to use voucher type F6, receipt voucher. If we use button F6, then receipt voucher will be activated. And after that we have to, what we have to do, our cash account must be debit and NEET capital account must be credit, because whenever we are going to starting the business, cash is coming to our cash account. So that is why cash account becomes a debit and NEET capital account becomes a credit. Here there is a question. एठी हम गोटे क्वेश्चन करि परिबा जे why cash account becomes a debit according to the real account. I have told you about, in my previous video I have told you about personal account, about real account, about nominal account. In case of a real account, the cash example is the example of a real account. Whenever what comes in becomes a debit. जेतेबेले cash account को पैसा आसीबो सेतेबेले cash account टा debit हबो. Whenever cash is going from the cash account, that time cash account becomes a credit. According to this situation, but according to this question, cash is coming to the cash account. So that is why cash account becomes a debit and NEET capital account becomes a credit. Then next question is, purchase goods or raw materials for cash 70,000. The owner of a NEET computer purchase goods cost 70,000 and paid by cash. So for this question, for this voucher, for this question, what journal we have to need? What are the ledgers we have to create? There must be the need of two ledgers. One is a purchase account, another is a cash account. Purchase account we have to create, cash account there is automatically by default. So purchase account, whenever you create a purchase ledger or purchase account, that time we have to set a group, that is purchase account. Purchase ledger, group name is purchase account. And after that we should debit purchase account debited to cash. That is purchase account debited to cash means we have to, our purchase account must be debit and cash account must be credit. Why purchase account must be debit? According to the nominal account, the expenses and losses becomes a debit. So that is why whenever we purchase raw material, that time this is the point of expenditure. So that is why purchase account becomes a debit, 70,000. And why cash account becomes a credit? According to the rule of a real account, cash is going from the cash account. So that is why in this case a cash account becomes a credit. So according to this question, purchase account debited to cash. Purchase account must be debit and cash account must be credit. Then our next question is, purchase goods or raw materials from Balaji Enterprise RS 80,000 on credit. 80,000 टंका बालाजी एंटरप्राइज पाखरु आमे जिंस बाकी रे किनिले, व्हाट शुड बी देयर? एठी हमको कोन करिवा को पड़िबो? देयर शुड बी टू लेजर्स रिक्वायर्ड. वन इज परचेज अकाउंट अंडर परचेज अकाउंट, ग्रुप नेम शुड बी परचेज अकाउंट. अनदर इज बालाजी एंटरप्राइज हु इज सेलिंग अस द प्रोडक्ट and it is on a credit. So that is why Balaji Enterprise account must be, the ledger group name must be Sunday creditor. And here we have to use voucher type F7 journal. Why journal voucher type we have to use here? Now because where there is no use of a cash or a bank, इनसाइड द ट्रांजैक्शन जदि ट्रांजैक्शन ने कोनोसी कैश और बैंक लेजर यूज हो नहीं, then what we have to do, we have to use journal ledger F7. So that is why here purchase account must be debit and Balaji enterprise account must be credit. That what we have to say, purchase account debited to Balaji enterprise. Why purchase account becomes debit? Because the rule of, according to the rule of a nominal account, purchase account becomes a debit and Balaji enterprise becomes a credit, because according to the personal account, Balaji enterprise, it is the name of an organization, and as per the personal account rule, debit is the receiver, credit is the giver. Here Balaji enterprise is the giver, so that is why Balaji account Balaji enterprise account must be credit. So according to this question, purchase account debited to Balaji enterprise, purchase account must be debit and Balaji enterprise must be credit. So next question is, purchase goods or raw materials from Balaji enterprise Rs 90,000 and paid cash 60,000, credit purchase 30,000. There are two types of purchase. One is cash payment, another is credit payment, credit purchase. So for this question, what we have to do, we need three ledgers. One is purchase ledger under group purchase account, another is Balaji enterprise under a group syndicator, and a cash ledger which is automatically created. So according to this question, what we have to do, we purchased, or organization purchased, Neat Computer purchased 90,000, material cost 90,000 from Balaji. So that is why purchase account must be debit 90,000, and from the cash account, owner of the computer paid 60,000 by cash, so that is why cash account credited 60,000, and Balaji enterprise will get 30,000 after some days, किछि दिन परे 30,000 rupees Balaji को पेमेंट करने को पड़िबो. So that is why Balaji enterprise should be credit 30,000, cash account should be credit 60,000, and purchase account should be debit 90,000. तामाने what we have done here, we have purchased raw material cost 90,000, so 90,000 must be debited for purchase account. We have paid 60,000 from cash account, so cash account becomes a credit 60,000, and Balaji enterprise will be paid in future 30,000, so that is why Balaji account is credited 30,000. This is the voucher entry for this question. And voucher type here we have to set payment voucher. Why? Now because the cash account is credit here. Then next question is, purchase goods or raw material from Balaji enterprise cost 1 lakh, paid cash 60,000 and paid by check 30,000, and remaining credit purchase. So just you compare according to previous question. In my previous question what was there? Now there was the payment of a cash and the remaining amount on credit. But in this question what is there? Cash payment is there, check payment is there, and credit is there also. So that is why here there is the use of 4 ledgers. One is purchase ledger under purchase account, another is Balaji enterprise ledger under sundry creditor, cash ledger that is default created, and another is SBI ledger under a bank account. We have to create a ledger by any name under which your business organization is going to be transaction. So that is why according to this question, what we have to do, as per the question 1 lakh rupees is the amount of a purchase amount, so that is why purchase account must be debit 1 lakh, and we have paid 60,000 from cash, so that is why cash account is credited 60,000, and we paid 30,000 as a check, so that is why our bank account must be credit 30,000, and Balaji enterprise should be credit 10,000, because after that, after some days we have to pay, Neat Computer will have to pay Balaji enterprise 10,000. So that is why purchase account debited 1 lakh, to cash 60,000, to SBI 30,000, and to Balaji enterprise 10,000. So according to this voucher entry, we have to use voucher type F5, payment voucher, because cash credit is there. Then our next question is, owner of a NEET Computer Private Limited paid the due amount, that is 10,000, to Balaji Enterprise with 2% late fee. 2% late fee means what is the meaning of a 2% late fee? Now, if the owner of a NEET Computer paid the due amount, that is 10,000, 10,000 was paid after some months or after some days. So that is why Balaji Enterprise demanded, I have to get a 2% late fee. So that is why 10,000 so 2% is 200 rupees. So in case of this, Balaji Enterprise ledger must be required, cash ledger must be required, and Balaji Enterprise as it is receiving the cash. So that is why Balaji Enterprise account must be debit, that is 10,200, and this 10,200 will be credited from our cash account, because we are paying this amount from our cash. So that is why Balaji Enterprise account debited to cash. 10,200 means 10,000 is the due amount and 200 is the late fee. 2% of a 10,000, that means 200. 200 must be the late fee. So that is why due amount 10,000 and 200 late fee, that is 10,200 we have to pay to Balaji Enterprise. So that is why Balaji Enterprise account debit and to cash account must be credit.